world, fear spread faster than the flames. But humanity did what it always does.
Every single shot you just saw, the cinematic scenes, the sound effects, even the text animation, was created using one single platform. No bouncing between different tools for video, music, or editing. Just one workspace that brings everything together. Imagine having Sora 2, Hailuo Veo 3, Wan 2.2, and Nano Banana, all the top AI engines, right inside one creative studio. No limits, no switching tabs, and no expensive subscriptions eating into your budget. Well, that's exactly what I'm about to show you today. This platform is called Edimakor, and it completely changes how you create videos. I even used it to produce that entire movie-style trailer you just watched. From image generation to motion, sound, and editing all in one place. And here's the best part. If you watch till the very end, I'll share my personal AI creator checklist containing over 30 tools that helped me grow this channel from 0 to nearly 10K in under a year. It's my exact toolkit, and I'm giving it away completely free. So, grab your notebook, hit the like button if you're ready, and let's dive straight into the magic of Edimakor. Step 1. Getting a solid story. Before we even think about generating images or videos, we need a solid story. No matter how good your visuals look, a weak script will always lead to a weak final video. The script holds everything together. For this part, we will use our old friend ChatGPT to make the work easier. You simply type in your idea, and it will build the structure for you. For example, I asked it to generate a 10-scene movie trailer about an alien invasion. I requested a trailer title, a short storyline or plot summary, detailed image prompts for each scene, and text-to-video prompts for Sora 2 and Veo 3. I also asked for a full cinematic structure so the scenes flow like a real movie trailer. It generated everything in seconds. The trailer title it gave me is When the Sky Broke Open. Below that, it created a clean plot summary and 10 well-organized scenes. Here is scene 1, which works as the opening shot. It includes the image description I will use in Edimakor and 2 separate video prompts, one optimized for Sora 2 and the other optimized for Veo 3. This is important because each model understands and interprets prompts differently, so having independent prompts gives you better accuracy. Here is scene 2. The first contact moment, structured the same way with both image and motion prompts. It continues like that up to scene 10, which serves as the closing shot of the trailer. Now that our full story and all scenes are ready, it is time to turn them into visuals. Step 2. Generate your AI images. Let's jump into Edimakor. I am already logged in, and you can follow along by downloading it from the official site using the link in the description below. When you open it, you will notice a clean and simple dashboard with all the tools clearly arranged. There are many powerful features here, but right now, we will focus on the ones we need to bring our scenes to life. Click on AI Video, then from the left menu, look for AI Image, and select Image Generation. Inside this section, you will find all the top image models already built in, including Seedream 3, Seedream 4, and Nano Banana. For this project, I am going with Seedream 4 because it produces sharp, cinematic visuals with beautiful lighting and detail. Next, take the image prompt for your first scene and paste it directly into the prompt box. Here is the prompt for scene 1, so I will copy it from ChatGPT and paste it here. Under the Settings panel, set the resolution to HD 4K. Choose 16:9 as the aspect ratio since it is perfect for YouTube. Leave the output set to 1 and click Generate. In a few seconds, Edimakor produces a clean, high-quality image that fits the scene perfectly. Let's generate the image for the next scene. I will go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, and paste it into Edimakor. Again, select HD 4K, hit Generate, and the new scene appears with the correct lighting and mood. If you want to locate your images later, Edimakor also shows you the file path. Just click the folder icon, open the AI image folder, and all your generated images will be stored there. If you want a different camera angle, lighting style, or mood, simply regenerate or adjust the prompt slightly. The workflow stays smooth because all the models you need are already inside Edimakor. Repeat these steps to generate the remaining images for all 10 scenes without switching to any other app. Once you are done, all your scenes will appear here, neatly arranged in the correct order. Now that our full set of images is ready, let's move to the next step. Step 3. Turn your images into cinematic videos. Now it is time to bring our images to life. Switch to AI video and choose Image to Video. You will see two options here, Image to Video and Reference to Video. For this project, we are using the first option. Once the panel opens, you will notice the full lineup of video models available in one place, including Minimax Hailuo 2, the Edimakor models, Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, Veo 2, Veo 3, Fast and Standard, and WAN 2.2. Having all of these models under one roof makes it very easy to test different styles and pick the one that fits your story best. Start by uploading the image for scene 1. Since this image contains realistic people, I will select Google Veo 3 Fast because it handles human subjects well and produces smooth motion with realistic lighting and synced audio. At the moment, Sora 2 cannot generate videos from uploaded images that contain realistic people, so Veo 3 is the better option here. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt for scene 1, and paste it into the prompt box. Set your duration, choose the resolution and aspect ratio, and make sure to turn on the audio feature. Click Generate, and watch how the static image transforms into a cinematic motion clip. The depth feels natural, the lighting shifts smoothly, and there are no strange distortions. To convert the next image, simply click Image to Video again. Upload the image for scene 2. Copy the motion prompt from ChatGPT and paste it inside Edimakor. Choose the highest resolution, turn the audio feature on, and hit Generate. The result is a clean, dramatic shot showing people running in terror from the alien creature. It follows the prompt perfectly and has that cinematic look we are aiming for. Repeat these same steps for all the remaining scenes. Upload the image, paste the correct motion prompt, choose your settings, and generate the video. In just a few minutes, you will have a full set of cinematic motion clips ready for the timeline. Step 4. Editing. Now comes the fun part, which is final editing. Edimakor gives you a full professional timeline, and the interface is beginner-friendly, so everything is easy to follow. You can add your generated clips directly from the media panel, or click Import Clips and bring them in all at once. Before you start arranging your scenes, make sure your project uses the correct aspect ratio based on the clips you generated. You can also expand the timeline for better control over each layer. Once your clips are in the timeline, rearrange them in the correct story order. Mine are already named properly, so it is easy to know which scene follows the other. I also created a clip that introduces the trailer title with a clean cinematic text animation, just like the ones you see in Hollywood movie intros. To set up the opening, I am going to add a simple black background at the beginning of the timeline. This will hold the plot summary text. I will head back to ChatGPT, copy the storyline, then return to Edimakor. To add text, click Text, choose Add Text, and paste the summary inside the text box. I will reduce the font size so it fits nicely, and align it to the left. I will also break it into multiple shorter text layers so it reads smoothly on screen. Once everything looks balanced, I will select all the text layers using the Control key and slightly reduce their scale to keep things neat. Next, I will bring in the clip containing the trailer title and place it right after the second scene. This helps set the tone and makes the trailer feel more professional. To take the trailer to another level, we are going to add a voiceover. A voiceover guides the viewer and adds emotion to each scene. Edimakor has this feature built in. Click Audio, switch to Text-to-Speech, and paste your voiceover script here. You can filter voices by language, accent, and use case. For this video, I will choose a narration and story voice. Listen through a few options and select the one that fits.
Let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Edimakor's voices sound very natural and realistic. Once you are ready, click Generate.
World, fear spread faster than the flames.
After generating the voiceover, drag the audio file to the timeline under your visuals. If you recorded your own narration, you can import it and use Edimakor's noise reduction and EQ tools to clean it up. With a little trimming and splitting, you can make the voiceover match each scene perfectly. After adjusting each part, Let's play it back to confirm the timing. Everything aligns well. Now select all video clips and lower their volume to about 60% so the voiceover remains clear. To fit all clips neatly on the timeline, click the Timeline Fit option. Let's level things up. We are going to add subtitles. Subtitles boost viewer retention and make your video accessible to everyone. Inside Edimakor, select your voiceover track and click Subtitles to open the auto-subtitle generator. Choose your preferred subtitle style and click Generate. Edimakor automatically detects the speech and syncs captions correctly.
World, fear spread faster than the flames. But humanity did what it always does.
Since one of our generated clips also contains synced dialogue, I will select it and generate subtitles for that as well.
Weren't invading us.
What's happening?
The crack is growing deeper.
It's going to break.
We have to do something.
Now let's make it feel more cinematic by adding background music. Go back to audio, choose AI music, and write a prompt such as epic cinematic alien invasion trailer music with atmospheric pads. Choose the style, instrument type, scene, and mood. Then click Generate. Edimakor gives you 2 tracks. Listen to both and select the one that fits your trailer. Add it to the timeline, trim the excess, and reduce the volume to around 30% so it blends smoothly with the narration. You can also add transitions, effects, color grading, or camera shake to enhance your video even more. After everything looks good, click Export. Give your project a name like When the Sky Broke Open. Select 4K resolution for the best quality, enable 2-pass encoding, and export. Edimakor handles heavy processing smoothly, and your final video will be clean, sharp, and watermark free. While the video is exporting, let me show you a few extra features inside Edimakor. You also get face swap for creating consistent characters, watermark removal for cleaning up your assets, AI avatars for talking presentations, video enhancer for boosting quality, and a video translator to convert your content into multiple languages. It is truly an all-in-one tool that replaces an entire creative workflow. All right, the video is exported successfully. Let's check it out.
World, fear spread faster than the flames. But humanity did what it always does. It fought back. Until we uncovered the truth, they weren't invading us.
What's happening?
The crack is growing deeper.
It's going to break.
We have to do something.
They were dismantling our planet piece by piece. And behind the sky, something far greater was waiting. But even in the end, hope found a way to shine.
Just like that, you have created a full cinematic trailer using top AI models and editing features inside one platform. Before we wrap up, do not forget that the AI creator checklist I mentioned earlier is ready for you. It includes over 30 AI tools I personally use to write, create, animate, and grow this channel. It is one of the biggest shortcuts you can use to build faster and smarter in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns every week. The download Edimakor today by grabbing the link is in the first line of the video description below. Go try the tool, and tag me when you post your first AI-generated trailer. I cannot wait to see what you create. Also, join my Telegram channel for updates. I am creating a complete YouTube automation course, and members there will be the first to access it.